Yes, we'll play something else now.
Yes.
Yes. Come here. Now reverse. Yeah, right. Come. Yeah. Yeah. Come. Yeah. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Beauty.
How do we do it
Yeah.
here?
Ah.
Here, Mama.
Yeah, he is very clever in that. Yeah.
Mama
Come
will
on.
know how to do
Come
it.
to this now. Come on, man.
Sit here.
He's enjoying at the top.
Moo.
Yeah, that's it. Come on. Come on, don't worry. Huh? Come. Very good. Yes, next step. Huh?
Ah, this is the way.
Yes. You only suggest. Huh? Yeah, I'm holding. No problem. Ay, shabash. Ma, hange. Shabash. Ay, shabash.
What does it mean?
Bravo.
Ay, shabash.
Bravo.
Ay, shabash. Very good. It means very good.
Där gjorde du bra. Duktigt.
Ay, shabash. You hold this. Ay, shabash.
Hur ska du göra det här nu då? Bravo.
Ay, shabash. Come on. Ay, shabash. Come on. Yeah, ay, shabash.
Du kunde själv.
New word. Ay, shabash.
Bravo.
Ay, shabash. Now I can say ay, shabash. Ah, yes. Yeah. Very good. Ay, shabash. Come on. Ay, shabash. 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 Aisha Bash. What?
You're a hygiene freak.
Yeah, gone. Aisha Bash. Aisha Bash. Yeah.
Hello.
Talk to cow. Hello cow. How are you? Going to home?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ನಾವಾಲೇ ಶೂ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಗೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
Nee, Radkar. Anil, we could spend the winters here. When we retire.
Yes,
spend
of
the
course.
winters here.
Yes, surely.
Oho, ನಡುವೆ ನೀರು.
ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಇದು.